This is Samsung Galaxy A52 and the actual screen is broken. So in this video, what are you going to do? You're going to replace the original screen with your original replacement. The cost is about 60 to 65 pounds if you get the service pack. Now I'm going to show you exactly how it looked like, the replacement part. First, let me double check if I can hear the noise. So the phone is still alive, but nothing comes on the screen. And that's the replacement I got. The good point is, if you buy any original screen, you're going to get a lot of component with it. Example, the power button, volume up and down, home button. Sometimes even comes with the actual heatsink and then vibrator as well. So first of all, what you need to do, you should have some basic tools to perform this repair. So first of all, as you can see, this is a kind of hot plate. So what it does, when you put it upside down the phone, it warm up the actual back cover, and that has it get softer. So easily we can pull out this actual back cover to remove all the component from inside. So I left about 4 to 5 minutes. And the temperature was around 90 to 100 degrees Celsius. But if you don't have that one, don't worry, you can use any ordinary hair dryer and you can blow the heat about 3 to 5 minutes and should be fine. As you can see, this one is coming out easily. I use a metal pry tool. You can use plastic, is much better. And then once it removed, we're going to put it back into the clean place. Let's say inside a packet or somewhere, so it's going to be dust proof. Now, before you forget, we must need to take out the actual SIM tray. This is very important. And then we're going to remove all the screws to remove the actual mid frame and the motherboard, and at the end we're going to take out the battery. Removing any Android battery is kind of challenging, so follow this procedure. Is going to make it much more easier. You're going to use Phillips screwdriver. The manual one takes longer time. That's why I use the automatic one. But to be honest, it's always best not to use any automatic or power tool, because sometimes we can't keep the control, and if we do over tighten, might be the actual board could get damaged. Okay. Now we're going to remove all the screws and take out the mid frame. Hopefully you would enjoy the rest of the video. Let's see. Still, if you do have any question, don't forget to leave it in the comment section, and I'll always try my best to reply.